Lesson 17. Today's weather.
Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Ralph from Master Key, and today we talk about the weather. This is a topic about the weather and the progressive tense. Okay, so let's get to here. We have drawing. Okay, this is sun, cloud, rain, wind, okay, and snow. Right. So when we talk about the weather, we say it's sunny. Okay. So the word is it's sunny. Okay. In case of the cloud, we say it's cloudy. It's cloudy. In case of the rain, we say it's raining. It's raining. In case of the wind, we say it's windy. It's windy. And in case of the snow, we say it's snowing. Okay, it's snowing. All right. So this is one part of the weather. Yes. But how about this? What is this? Degree. So we say 30 degrees. Okay. 30 degrees. We have 30 degrees. We say 25 degrees. But just keep in mind, it's 30 degrees, it's 25 degrees, it's 20 degrees, it's 15 degrees, it's 10 degrees, it's 5 degrees, and we have 0, and right after that, if I can squeeze it here, what is this? Okay, so what is this? This is 5 degrees below 0. 5 degrees below 0. Okay, cameraman, can it be seen? Is it big enough?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, it's okay. So, all right. So we have this section, right? To be specific, we say 22 degrees, 10 degrees. To be specific, but how to describe this section here? How do you describe this section, and this, and that, and this? So the word for that when it's yes, it's hot. We say it's hot. It's hot. Okay. Scorching sun and everything. Everyone's sweating. It's hot. So this section. How about this section? Hot, but not very much. It's warm. It's warm. Okay, it's warm. This section here, okay, so you need the jacket, but it's not cold, it's cool. Okay, it's cool. Okay, it's cool. Alright, and that section here, that could be easy. Cold, yes? It's cold. It's cold. And then we go down here when it's terribly. And that's what we call freezing. It's freezing. This is what we call freezing. Okay? And now, questions. Okay, so here is the question. What is the weather like today? And we don't say yes, and then we don't say what weather do you like, because I like sun, I like warm. Yes, it's not about like, it's about the conditions right now, conditions, not preferences. Okay, so what is the weather like today? And usually the classic answer is number one, number two, number three. This is a classic answer we can hear on the weather forecast. Okay, what is the weather like today? And today, let me see over the window. Oh, okay. I can see it's cloudy. So number one, it's cloudy. Keep going. It's cloudy. Number two, it's I could say warm. It's cloudy. It's warm. And then we say about 23 degrees. About 23 degrees. Okay, what is the weather like? It's cloudy, it's warm, about 23 degrees. But let's ask the question about the different city. So what is the weather like in Moscow? Well, we can imagine it's snowing. It's snowing. It's freezing. It's freezing. And about 12 degrees below zero. 12 degrees below zero. Okay? So now let's get to compare progressive tense and present simple. Let's get to this. So now we will talk about present simple and present continuous, which is also called progressive. Two questions that describes the difference between simple and continuous. Classic questions is what do you do, and the other one, what are you doing? What are you doing? And in case of me, if you ask me, hey Ralph, what do you do? My answer will be, I play soccer. Okay? I read books. We can say I teach English. We can talk about habits. Yes, yes. Like for example, I like to scratch my back. We can say I scratch my back. Yes. So this is what do you do? Something in general. Yes. What's the difference here? What are you doing? This is the reference to right now. What is happening right now in this moment? Okay. And if you ask me, Ralph, what are you doing? I am playing soccer. No, you're not playing soccer. I'm standing. Yes, I'm standing. So it's I'm standing. So Ralph, what are you doing? I'm reading books. You're not reading books. So what could be here? I'm making videos. I am making video. And what are you doing? I'm teaching English. Well, as a matter of fact, that's true. I'm teaching you English. So here, just coincidence that what do you do? I teach English. And what are you doing? I'm teaching English. It's just overlap in this moment, yes? So we have the noun, I teach English in general, and at the moment I'm teaching English. So this is the difference. Let's get back to the weather for a moment. Let's get back to the weather and ask the question. And now, to get a grasp of differences between present simple and present continuous, we have two, on the surface, similar questions, but only with one question we use one of these tenses, and for the other we use only one of these tenses. And now we need to find out which tense we use for each question. What is the weather like in London right now? The key word is right now. If it's right now, we use present continuous. The second question, what is the weather like in London in the summer? The key word is in the summer here, and key word here is right now. So this tells us right now is the moment, so we use continuous. Okay? So we say it's raining. It's raining. We use present continuous. But in case you ask, what is the weather like in London in the summer? So we say usually, yes? So we means always, usually. What is the weather like in London? We use present simple. So in London it's always it's always rains, and we say it rain, and third person singular because the weather is counted as a third person singular. It rains. All right. What is the weather like in London right now? It's raining. What is the weather like in London in the summer? It rains. So they are the differences. They are the differences between present simple and present continuous. Let's just quickly have a look on from the other perspective, from the third person perspective, how we do this. And something about the third person singular here. What does your sister do? We talk about sister, and sister is the third person singular. So we say she travels. Remember about this. Travels, third person singular. Okay. She works as a nurse. Third person singular. Works. She cooks Korean food. Korean food, by the way, delicious. Okay? She cooks. But what is your sister doing now? Oh, so let's make a phone call, okay? And mark number. It's an international call, so I'm looking on. I'm coming up on a big bill next month. Okay. Hi, Monica. How are you doing? Yeah, here is your brother. Listen, I have a question. What are you doing now? Okay. She's not traveling. Okay. Are you not working? Okay. Oh, really? How delicious is that? I wish I could come and have a taste. Okay, thank you very much, Monica. Have a good day. Okay, what I just found out, she's not traveling. She is thinking. She's thinking about next day. She's thinking. So when you're doing, you are thinking. Yes, you are thinking. Yes. She's not working. She isn't working. She isn't working. She is at home. So we have negative. Okay. and she is cooking Korean food. Unfortunately for me, I am far away from her right now. Okay, so they are the. This is how we. So this is third person singular. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you next lesson.